Alright, to simplify this expression, the first thing that you would do is you're going to cancel the common factors of the stuff inside the radicals. And in this case, I'm going to cancel 6 b's between these two, leaving me with a b to the 6th up in the numerator. Then I'm going to cancel the common k factors here. 2 k's get canceled from each of these, leaving me with a k to the 7th down in the denominator. So what I'm left with here in the numerator is 10 b to the 6th, and in the denominator I'm left with a 7k to the 7th. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to simplify the radical in the numerator here. This 10 stays under the radical, but the b to the 6th comes out and is a b to the 3rd on the outside. And then I still have the 7k to the 7th down in the denominator. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to rationalize the denominator. So the issue here is I have a radical, or the square root in the denominator. I'm going to multiply both the numerator and denominator in this equation by 7k to the 7th. The reason I do that is because of the multiplication that occurs down here in the denominator. When I multiply the square root of 7k to the 7th times the square root of 7k to the 7th, the result is just 7k to the 7th. And then in the numerator, what I get when I make that multiplication is I have this b to the 3rd on the outside, and the 7 and the 10 give me 70, and then k to the 7th. The last thing I'm going to do is simplify the radical again on top. This k to the 7th I'm going to split into a k to the 6th times a k. And the k to the 6th comes out of the radical and will be a k to the 3rd. And the last remaining k just gets left under the radical. So I'll have b to the 3rd, k to the 3rd, and the square root of 70k all over 7k to the 7th. The very last thing now is I just need to simplify these k's that are outside the radicals. I'll cancel 3 k's from these and get a k to the 4th down the denominator. And so the final answer would look like b to the 3rd times the square root of 70k all over 7k to the 4th.